Hey, this is Clint Arthur, and I am making this Clint Arthur review of the Park Tower Hotel in, where am I? In Buenos Aires, Argentina. This is suite number 1650. As you can see, it's all the way at the end of a long hallway. It's a corner suite. And we have been blessed with this little humble home for our 10-day stay here, and it's very comfortable. Okay. You come in and there's a little powder room, and you know how much I love powder rooms. This artwork we bought. This did not come with it. There's a mirror behind that, but we bought this artwork at a fair. It has lovely views. There you can see. Work area here, which could double as a dining area if you like, but I've been using it as a desk area. Nice little coffee station. Blonde, beautiful wife, not included, but ever present, thank God. And I guess some nice artwork on the wall in addition. You know what? Our artwork that we bought really is in keeping with the artwork that's in the suite. It's very interesting. Living area, another nice view. If you did not see my video, no, Allie took the video when we got a whole explanation of the view and all the historic elements of our view. Living room TV, which I think is way too small. I mean, this whole thing, look, you look at this suite and what we think, what Allie says,
It's my grandmother's house
it's
from when I was living in Oxford, Pennsylvania, the mushroom capital of the world.
So this hotel, like you will see when you're booking your room on the Marriott app, you're going to see this exact room as available in suites. And here's the bedroom. This TV is okay. It should be bigger. King size bed. They gave us an extra plug so that we could have outlets. That was good. More view.
It's old, dated, yellow fabric.
Yep, everything is old, dated, yellow fabric, and except for the rugs, which are old and dated. I mean, it's a very this. I would say this is like your affluent grandparents' apartment in Bal Harbor, Florida. Yeah, that's right. Or Boca. That's what this is, right? Some things are out of. I mean, it's old. It needs to be redone. This is nice. Matching closets, his and hers. Bathroom only has one sink, and it's very small. I could barely brush my teeth in this sink. Not because my teeth are so big, but my head is so big. Tub, water closet, and really nice shower. I will say I've liked the shower. It's big, but again, everything needs to be redone. This place, I don't know. It seems like it's vintage 1982.
It's livable.
It's very livable. Again, it's like your affluent grandparents' apartment in Bal Harbor, Florida. But I would say that this hotel needs to be redone. I mean, really, if they want to have more business, they should make this place more contemporary, more hip, cool, and not so dated.
Yeah.
There you go. However, with that said, we're here for 10 days. It's been a very comfortable place to actually live in for 10 days.
Go down for breakfast.
We go down, they have a nice breakfast. It's in a great neighborhood, kind of in the middle of several great neighborhoods.
There's a huge mall that way.
Yeah, I mean, Florida Street is right up here. And, Gallery, the really nice mall is just like 10 minutes up the street. There's another really nice mall over there. There's another really great set area, like great restaurants all around here. Great location. Very nice suite. The gym is nice. The pool, I haven't been in it, but the gym is very nice. It shares the Sheraton gym. So there you go. All right, that's my report and my review. This has been another great Clint Arthur review of Suite 1650 at the Park Tower in Buenos Aires. And if you want to get upgrades to suites like this, if you're an author, speaker, coach, consultant, advisor, then you need to become a celebrity entrepreneur. Check it out at clintarthurreviews.com, clintarthurreviews.com, and I will see you in the next video.